Today we're going to set up the Minecraft server so that way we can use it to run Python. So the first thing we need to do is install Minecraft. So let's go ahead and do that process. And it sets everything up for us. And we just hit finish, and it should create an icon for you inside of your start file. But don't run that yet. Next thing what we're going to do is, after it is completed doing that for us, is go ahead and open up our files that we downloaded, our package. Whoops, there was some already in there. We'll delete that. Okay, we open up this folder, and in there we'll have the server that will allow us to run scripts and take control of our Minecraft experience a little bit more, and you'll see that in a minute. So we run our server. That takes a minute or two to run. Any warnings you get, just hit accept. And we should be up and running now. Once we're up and running, we're going to go ahead and start Minecraft and go ahead and log into our account. So go ahead and start Minecraft. There we go. Downloading the updates for the first time. Now we're going to log in using our account. If you don't have a Minecraft account, you can do a free one, but you won't be able to do any programming with it. The free one is very limited in what it allows you to do. Next thing we have to do is choose the right version. So to do that, we have to go into the launch options and add a new launch option. And we've got to scroll down and find the right one. It's 1.6.4. Save that. There it is. You can see it lined up, 1.6.4. And now we're going to go back to our home screen, so that way we can run it. We'll just, there you go, and you hit the version we want. We hit play, and it will download the correct version for us. We need that version because that's what's linked to our server, and we need the server in order to do the mods in Python. So Minecraft comes up. We're going to do multiplayer. And we're going to do a direct connection. And the direct connection we're going to do is local host, because we have the server running on our local host computer. We're going to join the server. And you can see we are now inside of Minecraft, and we are actually connected to the Minecraft server. If we look over here on the server, we can see that I am logged in. And we do things like change the weather. Let's make it rain. So we'll go in here and type weather and rain. Press enter, and we can see once we go back to the game that we have started it to rain. Now we can clear that weather up just by going back and typing weather and clear. And you can see it'll clear it up. It takes a minute or so for it to clear up. It doesn't happen immediately. It kind of slows down and gets sunny again, and it's all clear. Okay, so we're going to close our Minecraft program, but don't close the server. It's very important that you actually stop the server. So we're going to type stop to stop the server and shut it down. And that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and we'll go from there. All right.